So we made it here to Pettyjohns. It is 4:17 in the morning and we just started. So we're gonna try to make it to at least the Pancake and the flat rooms. And then who knows what's going on after that, but it's a nice cold morning.
Yeah, very cold. But we'll warm up in the cave.
Yeah, we'll warm up. As soon as it gets in there, it kind of, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna warm up. But yeah, dude. Yeah, it's just like a committing drop-in.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, like you said, it's a little slippery today. Just dragging my GoPro across the thing. Oh yeah, it's wet. It's slippery. Oh yeah, all right. Sweet fossil right here. Damn, it's kind of wet down here, dude.
So this is the furthest I've got.
Yes. Yeah, so see that slab? That's the slab I was talking about where I'm like, no, I'm good.
And then I see what you mean, where it looks like that they have behind that.
Like it definitely looks better.
So which way did you go?
To the left of it. Right up that.
Okay.
But I see that and I'm like, what is that? But I don't want to.
Looks like that is part of the border or something.
It's the easy way. Okay.
So you went up this way last time?
Yeah, and it was a pain to figure out that time too.
Get a high right foot.
Yep. Yep. You got it. That's a good hold. Yeah, dude. Very nice. All right, let's get down here. Go meet it with my brother. What up, dude? Oh yeah, dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh, yeah. Put on the knee pads. Much better. Much
The
better.
entire time I had the light out.
Nice.
Kind of feel it.
Oh.
It's not so bad.
Yeah, my bro. You. All right. Oh. Hell yeah. All right, this is the start going downhill. Oh man. All right. Yeah, I can see how that's a little intimidating at first when you first see that. But it's all there. Damn.
Did you leave gloves here?
No, they just have my same gloves. Whew, all right. Ah. Just constant sit. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, well, that's exactly what you're gonna do. Ugh. Oh, it's muddy. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'm on the wrong side. I was on the other side of that. Nope. I was just seeing what was on the other side because it didn't remind me of the video. All right, it is definitely wet down here, so just be... We're going that way, I believe. We'll find it. Right now, I'm just gonna wait till you get over here.
Not yet. Almost out.
Yeah, don't fall down there.
There's the dragon scales, as I like to call it.
Yeah, so we gotta go down that way. Okay, cool. What's the thing? It's pretty squeezy. So it gets a little tight, but you got it, dude. Yeah. You definitely got it, dude. You're gonna have to take off your bag and throw it down. Hell yeah. Thingy.
This looks right. How thin is that?
It's not bad.
Not bad.
Nope.
Dragon scale.
It's sick.
It's hard for me to even tell sometimes.
There's ground down there. Thank God.
That looks fucking pretty gnarly.
It's pretty gnarly, dude. Come on down. Kick me my backpack.
Yeah? Alright.
We're down here. There it is. There's the fucking flat room, dude. We made it. Yeah, there you go. And then give me your bag. Bro, you throwing rocks at me?
Do you want me to drop it?
Yep. Drop it.
I'm not holding it anymore.
Drop it.
We'll call this the tombstone.
Right? I think that's why they call it the screwdriver. Dude, come on in.
What am I on right now?
Keep bringing your foot down. You have about, keep going.
Oh, that's fucking squeezed.
Yep, right there. There's your foot. Yeah, dude.
Just barely stuck.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
All right. How does it feel to be rebirthed?
Dude, that was as squeezy as it gets.
Choo. It's gonna suck a little bit. It's not necessarily tight, it's just fucking muddy and slippery.
It's a little better this way.
I didn't go that way, but it's not wet over that way. Yeah, dude.
Bet I'm making it look like a Gumby move.
No, man, you're good. Shine the light back from where you just came.
Everything's so slippery.
Yeah, man. Ow, shit, fuck, ow.
Oh yeah, it's all spikes. Yeah, watch your head.
There we go.
Watch your head, come on.
Really cool. So it's 2 hours and 59 minutes, 7:17 in the morning, and we are just reaching the exit. We did it. We made it to the flat room. So we're just making it to the top, and it's daylight out, and it's super cold. But we made it.